So welcome students. In this question you're given the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y plus 3 and y of 0 is equal to 2. That is at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. And you're asked to find the value of y when x is equal to log 2. So again a very straightforward differential equation. So if you do variable separable you get dy by y plus 3 is equal to dx. Now if you integrate dy by y plus 3 is equal to integration of dx. So let me do this question in two different ways. One by indefinite integration, the other by direct definite integration. So if I want to do it by indefinite integration, you get, if you integrate this, ln y plus 3 is equal to x plus c. And this c can be obtained by initial condition. That is, when x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 2. That is, ln 5 is equal to 0 plus c. So this implies c is equal to ln 5. C is equal to ln 5. So if you bring this c onto this side, so ln of y plus 3 minus ln 5 is ln y plus 3 by 5 is equal to x. Ln y plus 3 by 5 is equal to x. This implies y plus 3 by 5 is equal to e power x. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 5 times e power x. So this is the function y. So you're asked to find y when x is equal to log 2. So if x is equal to log 2, x is equal to log 2 implies e power x is equal to 2, right? So e power x is equal to 2. Just need to put e power x is equal to 2. You get minus 3 plus 10 is equal to 7. So the answer is 7. So this is how you do using indefinite integration. So if you want to do definite integration, so at this stage, so once you have this, so integration of dy by y plus 3 is equal to integration of dx. Now let us assume that x is going from 0 to log 2. And where does y go? We know that y at x is equal to 0 is 2. So it goes from 2 to some value y. This value y is being asked. That is, when x is going to log 2, where does y go? So this is ln mod of y plus 3 going from y to 2 is equal to integration of dx is x, going from log 2 to 0 is nothing but ln 2. This implies ln y plus 3 by 2. Ln y plus 3 minus ln 2 plus 3, that is, ln 5. Ln y plus 3 by ln 2 plus 3 is 5 is equal to ln 2. So this implies ln y plus 3 by 5 is equal to ln 2. So y plus 3 by 5 is equal to 2. So y plus 3 is equal to 10. Hence y is equal to 7. This can also be done. This can also be done. So you can choose whichever is convenient for you. Thank you.